Hello friend, today we will discuss the Mealy machine with overlapping approach. Okay, so the people who don't know about the types of FSM means finite state machine, so I will give you a brief introduction in short. Okay, so there are two type of state machine. Okay, so one is Mealy machine, another one is Moore machine. Okay, so if you want to design Mealy machine, you require n number of steps. Means what? If you want to detect a sequence 1011, that is the 4-bit. So if you want to detect a 4-bit sequence with the help of Mealy machine, you required 4 state only. Okay, so that will be same, that is n equal to 4-bit. Okay, now come to Moore machine. So Moore machine required one extra bit, means one extra state. Okay, so it required one extra state, means if you want to detect that 4-bit state, 4-bit sequence, then you required to design n plus 1, that means 4 plus 1, 5 state. Okay, so this is the some basic point of view of FSM. So let's we solve this question which is mentioned over there. Okay, let's start. So I want to detect this 4-bit sequence. Okay, so we start with the first state S0. Okay, so when the first bit 1 is detected, it go to the next state. So what is the next state? S1. Okay, when it is detected 1, it go to the next state, that is S1. At that time output is 0. Okay, so here we write S0. So your S0 is reset state. Okay, so your S0 is reset state. We can also say that initial state. Okay, so we can also say that reset state or initial state. So this state is holding always opposite to the first bit. Means what? Here the first bit is 1, so it will hold opposite to the first bit. Okay, opposite to first bit is what? One opposite is 0. So when the sequence is detected 0, it will remain at the same state, that is S0. When it is detected input 0, it will remain at the same state and output is 0. Okay, so we can say that your S0 is holding what? 0. Okay, so come to the next bit. Next bit is 0. So if this bit is detected 0, then it go to the next state. So it go to the next state. Next state is S2. Okay, so your next state is S2 when 0 is detected. and output is 0. One thing that you have to keep it in your mind, that is output is 0 here, 0 here, and it will be always 0 until the all the sequence is not detected completely. Okay. Okay, so till now the sequence is detected is 1 0. So 1 0, this sequence is detected 1 0. So when 1 0 is detected, go to the S2. Okay, S1 goes to S2. But what happen when 1 1 is detected? Okay, so first of all, you have to write for S1 what is holded by S1. So S1 is holding 1. How 1? How it hold 1? Because to reach S1 only one bit is detected, that is 1. That's why it is holding 1. Okay, now here come to here. So when you are at S1, if the sequence 0 is detected, it go to the next step. But what if the sequence 1 is detected? So if 1 is detected, this is the right sequence, okay, but this is the not right sequence. So when 1 is detected, then you have to look for, is there any state who is holding this 1 1? So there is no state who is holding this 1 1. Okay, so cut it from back. When you cut from back, so here is remaining 1. Is there any state who is holding 1? Yes, your S1 state is holding 1. So you go to the S1 state itself. Okay, so you remain at S1 state. So input is 1, output is 0. Until you receive this sequence 0, you cannot go to the next. Okay, so now we go further. So when the sequence is detected, this sequence is 1, so next sequence is 1. So when the next sequence 1 is detected, it go to the next state. At that time output will be 0. Okay, so the next state is what? S3. S3 is your next. Okay. Now here also your S2 is holding what? You assume what is holded by the S2? Look at here. The first input bit 1, this 0, means to reach at S0, to reach at S2, the sequence is detected is 1 0. That means it is holding 1 0. Okay. Same as to reach at S3, the sequence is detected is 1 0 1. So that's why S3 is what? S3 is 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 is holded by S3. Okay, now when you are at a state S2, at that time if you receive 1, then only you can go to the next step, because 1 are in the sequence. Okay, but what happen if you receive 0? Means, let me erase this. Suppose you are at state S2. So if 1 is detected, you can go to. Suppose you are at a state S2. Okay, so if you receive the sequence 1, that is this one, then only you can go to the next step S3. So what if we detect 0 here? मतलब means at S2 if we detect 0, then what happens? 1 0 1. So when 1 0 1 is detected, we go to the S3. So this is the correct sequence. But 1 0 in place of this one, if in place of this one, okay, this one at this place, if we detect 0, our expectation is what? 1, but we receive 0, then what to do? Okay, so let's apply that formula which we have applied earlier. So is there any state who is holding this 1 0 0? No one is holding 1 0 0. So let cut from back. Okay, so now who is the one who is holding 0 0? No state is holding 0 0. Cut it from back next. Okay. Now only 1 0 is remaining. So who is the holding only 0? So this reset state, initial state, we can say that initial state, which is S0 is holding 0. So it will go to the S0 when 0 is detected. Understand? So when 0 is detected, it will go to the S0 state, and at that time output will be 0. Okay, and when 1 is detected, go to the next step. Now come to the S3 part. Okay, so I want a sequence to complete I want 1 to complete the sequence. Okay, so till now we detected 1 0 1. Now next one I want 1. Okay, so how we got this one? And just keep it in your mind, we are dealing with overlapping case. Okay, so I want to overlap this. Okay, how we will overlap? Suppose this whole sequence is detected. Okay, so we can overlap this one bit. Okay, how? Here already 1 is there, so we can put it here 0, then again 1, then again. So again sequence become completed. Okay, so here one overlapping bit is there, only one overlapping bit is there. Okay, this one. Okay. So I want to detect a sequence. Okay, let me erase this first. Okay, so when we receive till now we receive 1 0 1. Okay, so when we receive this one, okay, okay, so what to do? So apply the formula. Is there any state who is holding 1 0 1 1? Any state? No one. Cut it from back. Is there anyone who is holding 0 1 1? 0 1 1? No one. Cut it from back. Is there anyone who is holding 1 1? No one is holding 1 1. Okay, this is holding 0, this is 1, this is 1 0 1 0. So no one is holding 1 1. So cut it from back. Only 1 1 is remaining. So who is holding 1? This S1. So we have to get to the S1 state. Okay, we have to go to the S1 state. When 1 is detected. So when 1 is detected, at that time output is 1. So look at here. Here the output is 1. Why? Because we detect complete sequence. Okay, here the sequence is detected completely. That's why here the output is 1. Okay. Now what happen if we detect in place of 1, if we detect 0? Okay, if we detect 0, so then what happen? So first write these all bits, that is 1, 0, 1. Okay, so if we detect this 0, so first match with these 4 bits. No anyone is holding this. Okay, cut it from back. 0 1 0. Who is holding 0 1 0? No one. Cut it from back. Who is holding 1 0? This S1 is holding 1 0. Okay, so that's why when 0 is detected, we go to the S2 step. Okay, so when 0 is detected, we will go to the S2. Okay, so this way we can completely detect the sequence 101 with overlapping case. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of that. If you have any doubt, you can just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will give you your solution. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe my channel if you want more video on that, and also I will make the part 2, part 3 and part 4 in the coming video for non-overlapping case with Mealy machine, then more machine with overlapping case, then more machine with non-overlapping case. All these 4 video series will come